This is called a drop fade. This is, you've probably seen it all over. This is getting more and more popular, where instead of going like straight across with the fade, we're dropping it just a little bit. We've done just one, and now I'm going to start using my lever and start fading up. So when I create this middle mohawk guide, instead of cutting like this, I'm going to cut into the hair. I'm going to cut V's just like that. Next step is to blend it. We're going to use our comb clippers. So I'm going to put my comb and tilt it out just a little bit so it makes the blend lower. Now I'm going to take my scissors, comb, and I'm just going to blend that to that. There's really not much, but I don't want there to be any like hangover from the blend. Now I'm going to use my texturing shears. I'm going to come up here.
I got mine up.
Blended pretty good, but like not perfect. I'm going to take my texturing shears, teeth on the bottom, and I'm just going to take a few snips.
That's awesome.
And it's just going to magically blend all of that in.